Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix microphone in Windows 11. This is very annoying because you can't record, you can't communicate with someone through your microphone, so it's very annoying. So I'm gonna show you can fix this problem. So let's jump right into the video and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So what you have to do to fix this problem, press on your keyboard Windows logo, okay, key plus S, and here let's type privacy settings. Click on that, and then here select privacy and security, and then go scroll down, and here where you see microphone, click on microphone. And now just make sure here if you turn it off, just turn it on, and then you'll be able to use your microphone without any problems. And also if there's any app here that is turned off, just turn it on for a specific app that you're using. And if the microphone is turned off, obviously it's not gonna work, so make sure you turn on, okay, sorry. So, and if that didn't work, you can also try a troubleshooter. So here write troubleshoot settings and then other troubleshooters, and then here go and look for microphone. Here we have microphone. Just click on the playing sound, click on run, and run this troubleshooter as well. So, and also you can run troubleshooter for recording audio, click on run as well. Okay, I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and take care.